Hello, viewers. My name is Samyak Jain. In the corridors of justice, time is not just a clock ticking, it's a hope fading, trust crumbling, and lives hanging in limbo. Today, we speak 5 crore pending cases weighing down on our courts. But today is also a new dawn. With the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Sakshya Adhiniyam, India has declared enough. No more justice delayed, no more justice denied. Let me paint you a picture. So let's assume a bright young student, let's call her Asha, is accused of a crime she didn't commit. For 3 years, she battled court dates, missed exams, and sleepless nights. Her dreams slips away like sand through her fingers. But under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Asha's nightmare ends in 14 days. Yes, 14 days. The time it takes to prepare for a college test is all the police now have to submit their report. Zero FIRs ensure her voice isn't silenced by the jurisdiction. This is justice reimagined, swift, smart, and humane. The Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita isn't just a law, it's a lifeline. So imagine a survivor of assault, her wounds still fresh, waiting years for a medical report. No more 7 days. Yes, just 7 days. Trial and in 3 years, judgment delivered in 45 days. Every search, every confession captured on a video, ironclad against tampering. This is justice that heals, not just punishes. And then there's the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, a digital revolution in the courtroom. So now WhatsApp messages, CCTV footage, emails once dismissed as a secondary now stands as a pillar of truth. Forensic experts race to crime scenes like doctors to an emergency. So there is no longer the India of Kal Kisne Dekha. It is the India of Ab Sab Dikhega. These laws are not inked on paper, they are Bhagat Singh's courage in legal form. They are Rani Lakshmibai's defiance against the delay. But let me be very clear, loans alone cannot heal a system. It is us, the youth, who must become the heartbeat of the change. Share a post, attend a workshop, demand accountability. Because every click, every conversation, every step we take is a brick in the foundation of a new India. 75 years ago, we freed ourselves from the foreign rule. But today, we free ourselves from the shadow of the delay. The timeline for justice no longer begins in courtroom. It begins here. It begins now. It begins with us. So let us march forward, not with anger, but with resolve. For when justice is timely, democracy is timeless. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.